This is my friend DJ, and he grew his channel to over 2 million subscribers. And then to prove it wasn't luck, he started a brand new gaming channel and grew it to 5,000 subscribers in just 3 months. And the best part is, DJ says the techniques that got him to this point can be applied to any channel for massive results, even if you're a complete beginner. So you might be thinking, what exactly did he do? And more importantly, how can you replicate it to get more views on your own gaming channel right now? Well, I sat down and asked DJ these exact things, and he had a pretty amazing story to share.
I started out just uploading Fortnite gameplays because that was the thing at the time. Fortnite was a brand new game back then and everybody was playing it. That was like the biggest thing on YouTube. So I started actually posting pretty consistently February 3rd, 2018. I posted probably like 50 videos until my first one actually took off. My first one took off April 1st, 2018. So there was about 2 months where I was uploading like twice a day, and each one got about like 40, 50 views. So I was like, okay, cool. And I was taking advantage of trends. So I posted a few videos about fastest builder on Fortnite because that's what was popping off. And I posted like how to win in Fortnite, and that got, 500 views. So I was taking advantage of trends, but I wasn't really making a name for myself within the Fortnite community. But I kept trying new things, and that's so big. You want to try new things. Who cares if you try something new and it gets 5 views, but your last video got 10 views? Who cares? You need to try new things because you never know if that new thing you try is gonna get 10 million views. You never even know. And the only way you'll find out is if you try it. One day I was sitting in the Fortnite item shop and I'm like, why don't I just like review some of these items? So I recorded a video of myself like saying like,
we have the new skin, the Whiplash.
And that video had like 80,000 views. And I'm like, hold up, what? So then the next day I started recording the Fortnite item shop again. And I started to do that every single day. And that was my content for a while. Just uploading the Fortnite item shop and what's in the new shop and then showing off the new skins and stuff like that. I think the reason I really blew up from those is because I was like one of the first people to start doing it. And that's one main thing that a lot of people need to focus on. If you're going to do something, you want to do it before anyone else has. But if you're going to do something that other people are doing, you have to do it better. See, for me, whenever I was making those Fortnite item shops, nobody was really doing it. And that's why I blew up off of it, because I was the first person to do it. Eventually, I stopped liking Fortnite. Like, I didn't really enjoy it that much. And I was just coming home every day at 5 p.m. to record the shop, not enjoying it, not even playing the game, not even buying any of this stuff. I was just getting on saying,
Glider is really nice. I like that. It says harness the winds of victory.
Right when that video was done, I left my house and I was just disconnected from my channel, it felt like, because I was doing something I didn't like. So then a couple months later, I start posting other videos along with the item shop. So I was just posting random Fortnite videos, because my whole content was Fortnite. I didn't want to change it because that was a big thing back then that I was looking into. Like, if you change your content, it might not go very well, because you built up a whole string of viewers for a certain thing. If you start posting it something else, your viewers might not like it. I kept posting those Fortnite item shops, but then I was like, okay, I'm done. Like, I need to figure something else out because I'm not liking this. So I was just trying stuff and trying stuff. So I uploaded a video called Meet Ghost Ninja, the worst Fortnite YouTuber. And that was actually the first ever Meet the YouTubers video I ever made. And that video went crazy. Like, it had like 1 million views in like 2 weeks. And I was like, oh my gosh, I just sat here, recorded myself making fun of this bad YouTuber, and it got millions of views. I could probably start doing this more often. So I started doing that more often and continued with the item shops until eventually I just had too much. I hated coming home every single day to record this stupid shop. So then I stopped making those videos entirely, and my views took a hit, like really badly. And something else actually happened too. My name on YouTube used to be Kodak WK. That used to be my YouTube name, Kodak WK. And the Kodak camera company actually was gonna sue me because I was using their name, Kodak. They ended up deleting my Instagram account and saying they were going to get my YouTube deleted if I didn't change my name in 30 days. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Like, this is my name. Like, if you change your YouTube channel name after you've gained a lot of subs, that's not good. People are gonna forget what your channel was or something like that, and it messes with all the metadata and stuff. It was just like, oh my gosh. Then I figured that out and I'm like, okay, what should I change my name to? And then I just decided, you know what? Let's make it DJCook, because that's my real name. My real name is DJ and my last name is Cook. So I changed my name. My views on my videos went so far down. Like, after I changed my name and after I stopped posting those shops, I had like 500,000 subscribers at that time with 20,000 views. And I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? If you change up what they were used to, they're probably not gonna want to watch the new stuff unless it's good. So I was telling people, okay, I know I'm not posting Fortnite anymore but I would be posting some crazy good videos. And I actually delivered. I started editing my videos like crazy, and I continued with my Meet the YouTuber stuff where I just watched bad YouTubers and tried to get them off the platform and try to get them to change. And that was kind of something that was new to me. And this kind of goes back to what I was mentioning before. If you're doing something that other people are doing, you want to do it better. So I knew that some people on YouTube were exposing bad YouTubers. I knew they were already doing that, but I'm like, how could I make it better? So I decided, instead of just reacting to YouTubers and then ending the video, I was gonna try to talk to these bad YouTubers and try to convince them to become better and do all this. I wanted to be different than the other people who are already doing it. And I think that's how I started to grow. And also I made some type of like slogan. So most people on their YouTube channel, they don't really have like a slogan or like a brand tagline or whatever, but mine is,
on my channel, we try to clean up the bad content on YouTube.
I'm trying to clean up YouTube, clean up these bad content creators, right? Most people, they don't have something like that. So whenever the viewers come to my channel and they hear that I'm cleaning up YouTube, they're like, this guy's actually doing something. You know what I mean? Like whenever people come to my channel, they see, okay, he's trying to clean up YouTube and they want to jump in and help. My first video that popped off was me reviewing something in the shop. And I'm like, okay, if that popped off, I'm running with it. I took that and ran with it. Same with my Meet the YouTubers thing. I reviewed Ghost Ninja, like I mentioned before. That thing took off and I took off with that series. I threw everything to the side and just capitalized on the ideas that actually ended up working. Threw every idea out the window to focus on those ideas that actually work. If you want to take anything from this, I know everybody hears this, I know everybody says this, but do not give up. You need to be consistent because you never know if tomorrow's video is going to be the one that gets 100K views.
I hear a lot of small YouTubers, they never give up and they're like, oh, okay. And then they just keep posting the same videos that aren't working. But no, that's not what you do. You do what you did, which is never give up, stay true to the vision of being successful on YouTube, but you have to be open to how it plays out, right? Because if you would just continue to post Fortnite gameplay videos, you probably would have continued just getting 40, 50 views, right?
Exactly.
But you stayed true to the vision. You didn't give up on YouTube, but you gave up on the content that wasn't working in favor of trying new stuff until you found something that worked and then you ran with it. I think that's
exactly. Yes, that's so key. People get so stuck to one video idea or one video series and they're like, well, I like doing this. Yeah, well, if you want to make money on YouTube, if you want to make it a job, you have to do things that other people like. You have to find things that you like that other people like as well. So then you can, enjoy it and still, pop off, still be able to get a ton of views, still be able to influence a whole bunch of people with your content. Because if you keep doing what you want and nobody else wants it, you're not even reaching anybody.
Definitely. I think that's really good advice. At what point should you quit a potential idea? How do you know that, okay, it's a bad idea, as opposed to, okay, maybe I just haven't given it enough time?
Yeah, I think this is a great question because I feel like a ton of people who are listening to this right now are probably going through the same thing where they have this series going, it's getting 40 views, but they want to keep doing it because they think it's a good idea. For me personally, what I would say is if you're enjoying it and you know that a ton of people can enjoy it if they find it, then keep doing it. But if it's something super unique, like how to cook a lunch meal for a 3-year-old on a Tuesday, like something like that, you might as well quit it because it's super specific. If you're listening to this and you're kind of in this situation where you want to go from video topic to video topic trying to find something that works, I think just do a bunch of different things that you enjoy, because the viewers can tell if you enjoy something or not. If you're sitting here like, okay, today we're gonna do this, it's way different than if you're like,
yo, what's up?
So the viewers can tell if you really enjoy something. So do things that you enjoy, a bunch of different things, and then eventually one of them is gonna have to get a little bit more views than the next one. You know what I mean? Like if you make a video about cars and then the next day you make a video about how to fix your car, and the video about how to fix your car does a little bit better, then kind of run with that idea. But yeah, if you kind of get bored of it or you kind of dislike making them, I think that's when you should quit it. But if you enjoy it, keep on going.
If you're confident you're ready to keep going, a great place to start is by watching this video, because I reveal a little known hack I use to get more people to watch my videos in less than 2 minutes.